Difference between Zenzai and Shiruko. Hi, this is Mikawada. Today, I'm going to tell you about Zenzai. Zenzai and Shiruko are famous azuki sweets. When you go to a cafe featuring Japanese-style sweets on vacation in Japan, take a good look at the menu. Especially in the Kansai and Kanto regions, the contents of Zenzai and Shiruko are different, even though they are called by the same name. In Kanto, they are classified according to whether or not there's any liquid in them. In the Kanto region, they are classified by the presence or absence of liquid, with Shiruko being the one with liquid and Zenzai being the one without. On the other hand, in the Kansai region, the two types of Shiruko aren't classified according to whether they're made with grainy or straight azuki paste. Zenzai is made with grainy sweetened azuki, and Shiruko is made with soupy koshi-an, strained azuki paste. If you are confused, ask whether there is juice or not and what kind of azuki paste is used.